Let's see how to use the same WhatsApp account on two phones. First, open WhatsApp on your main phone. Tap the overflow menu. Then tap Link Devices. Tap the green Link a Device button. Scan the QR code displayed on your other phone. Now scan the QR code. Wait about a minute. Now see one WhatsApp on my two phones. Hope my video will be helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get such videos later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.